Hello. Python Basic Tutorial. Python is a general-purpose interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum during 1985-1990. Like Perl, Python source code is also available under the GNU General Public License GPL. This tutorial gives enough understanding on Python programming language. Why to learn Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive and object-oriented scripting language. Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords frequently whereas other languages use punctuation, and it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. Python is interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, a beginner's language. Characteristics of Python. Following are important characteristics of Python programming. A circumflex accent. 1. It supports functional and structured programming methods as well as OOP. 2. It can be used as a scripting language or can be compiled to bytecode for building large applications. 3. It provides very high-level dynamic data types and supports dynamic type checking. 4. It supports automatic garbage collection. 5. It can be easily integrated with C, C++, COM, ActiveX, Corba, and Java. Hello world using Python. Just to give you a little excitement about Python, I'm going to give you a small conventional Python Hello World program. You can try it now. Print Hello, Python. It will print as follows. Hello, Python. Now have a try on that code. Applications of Python. As mentioned before, Python is one of the most widely used language over the web. I'm going to list few of them here. Applications of Python. Easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax. This allows the student to pick up a language quickly. Easy to read. Python code is more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. Easy to maintain. Python's source code is fairly easy to maintain. A broad standard library. Python's bulk of the library is very portable and cross-platform compatible on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. Interactive mode. Python has support for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing and debugging of snippets of code. Portable. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. Extendable. You can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enable programmers to add to or customize their tools to be more efficient. Databases. Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases. GUI programming. Python supports GUI applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries and Windows systems, such as Windows MFC, Macintosh, and the X Windows system of Unix. Scalable. Python provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. Audience. This Python tutorial is designed for software programmers who need to learn Python programming language from scratch. Prerequisites. You should have a basic understanding of computer programming terminologies. A basic understanding of any of the programming languages is a plus. That's all for the tutorial 1. Thank you for watching this tutorials. Instruction session has been ended. It was generated from www.tutorialspoint.com. Shut down. Shutting down. Thank you.